So I'm going to be circulating during this explore phase and listening in to what students are saying about how they're matching the expression with the drawing. And I might ask them to say, so what makes you say that? How did you come to that conclusion? So that they're really focusing in on how does this drawing have a way to be represented with an algebraic expression. Some students start to look at perimeter rather than area of the pool, which obviously changes the whole dynamic of what it's all about or what the expression is going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and propose some questions to students if they feel like they're getting stuck. Like, what do you notice already in the indoor pool? How could you represent that shape? What does it look like to you? And depending on what shape they describe, if they talk about the rectangle or they talk about the partial circle, I'll say, so what is it you know about those shapes from the past that might help you make sense now? The other thing I've seen them do is they're not recognizing that this expression they've been given represents both the indoor part of the pool and the outdoor, and they are only focusing on the indoor and realizing, wait a minute, I've got to design this outdoor part too. Students are going to be creating drawings that can be displayed for everyone to be able to see. And probably the size of construction paper is big enough, either butcher block paper or something around that size that's maybe 12 by 18 inches, so that we can look and see which of these pool designs were a lot alike and which ones were really different and interesting, and then how do those expressions then come to life on each of the drawings. A lot is dependent upon what the drawings are. So if I have a lot that are similar and one that's really out there, I'm probably going to start with the one that's really out there because that will be intriguing to more people. If it turns out I've got kind of a spread of 3 or 4 different designs, then I'm going to look for the ones that maybe connect most easily to each other and kind of group those as they're being displayed and ask the kids, gosh, as you're hanging yours up, can you find one that you think is really close to yours that you can see a connection to? And which one seems like, wow, I didn't think of that at all?